In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter ETERNALAND in Once Human. So what you want to do is, first, you want to press the escape key, and up here, you can see this fourth icon, it says ETERNALAND. You want to click on it, click on ETERNALAND, enter ETERNALAND, and when you click on it, you will get to this loading screen where it will start loading, and you'll be able to enter ETERNALAND. Now, ETERNALAND is basically a place where nothing resets when the season kinda resets inside the main world, inside the Once Human game. And as you can see, it looks like this. If I open up this map, it's basically a huge island where you can teleport to the main teleport tower and build as much as you want to. And yeah, nothing will basically reset, and you'll keep everything that you have. So that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to get back to normal world, what you want to do is press the escape key and click leave ETERNALAND, and then confirm to leave the ETERNALAND, and you'll be able to leave it. Now, I think you have to be level 20 to be able to go to ETERNALAND, or simply progress through the missions and through your journey to a point where it will tell you to go to ETERNALAND. So that's pretty much it. That's how to enter and quit ETERNALAND in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.